Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford Fusion faster. First, consider upgrading your air intake system. A cold air intake can significantly improve airflow to your engine, leading to better throttle response and a noticeable power bump. Next, look into a performance exhaust system. This helps your engine breathe more freely by reducing back pressure, which can add a few extra horsepower. These are great starting points for any enthusiast. Moving on to more significant engine enhancements, a performance tune is crucial. This software adjustment optimizes your engine's fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost pressure for maximum output. If your Fusion has a turbocharger, upgrading it can provide a substantial power increase. Pair this with a larger intercooler to keep air charge temperatures down, ensuring consistent performance even under demanding conditions. Speed isn't just about raw engine power. Handling and weight also play a huge role. Reducing your vehicle's weight, even by removing non-essential items, can improve its power-to-weight ratio. Lighter wheels decrease unsprung weight, which helps with acceleration and braking. Additionally, upgrading your suspension components can improve traction and ensure more of your engine's power effectively reaches the road. For the best results in safety, consider professional dyno tuning. This ensures your engine is precisely calibrated for your specific modifications, maximizing power while maintaining reliability. Remember, with more speed comes the need for better stopping power, so upgrading your braking system is highly recommended. Finally, consistent maintenance with quality fluids and parts will keep your Ford Fusion running strong and fast for longer.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.